Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you across the globe. This is Dr. Peterson giving the Bitcoin chat as always. How are you doing today? Today, BTC is crashing as predicted some months, weeks, days ago. I don't think you should be surprised. You have been following fervently on this show based on the consistency and the reputation we have maintained on the space. Now let's delve into the monthly. What is happening in the monthly? Don't forget we had a bad monthly close in that of August, that BTC giving us a bearish engulfing candle to that of July, and that was very bad as far as BTC is concerned. So like I told you guys, I have been unstable trying to watch this market fall to ape in to some of the altcoins so that we can make massive profit. And what does this mean for BTC? I think we will explain much better on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame we go. What's going on the weekly? On the weekly, don't forget this. BTC had what? Three lower lows that confirm a bearish confirmation. This was one lower highs, and to crown it up, we had another bearish engulfing candle to the previous week, and that connotes the fall which we are having currently. And I tell you guys, BTC should not close below this red candle, because should that happen, the next target is 38,800. That's where the liquidity lies, because this is where the move is coming from, here, just right here. So should BTC close outside this region, the next call is 38,800 per BTC. Now let's continue the show. What does this do for altcoin? It's going to be massively bearish. So I will advise that we stay on our hands at this point in time. And I can tell you guys this morning that we made massive profit on the first call for BTC, because we took out 70% of our trade, because the market can go anywhere. We don't control the market. We only analyze and give our thoughts as far as the market is concerned. Now that's that for the weekly. Now let's jump into the daily. Let me analyze the daily. What's going on the daily? I was telling you guys back to back that BTC is heavily bearish, that any call you see on the daily that is going up is a scam, a big scam. And you can see that playing out right now. What is crashing the market on the daily? You can see I started explaining all these things from here, that when we had this upward movement, it was from a wrong foundation. I will not be explaining that today. If you want it, go to my previous video to see what I explained. Now you can see BTC had a head, a left shoulder, a right shoulder, and the right shoulder confirmed that BTC was not faking out, but rather it was the actual move. And I can tell you again that when a market has break a resistance or support, there's a way which it's going to retest the bottom. How it does that lies the psychology behind the market. So right now you can see that BTC is closing outside this support, and should that happen and BTC mistakenly close outside this place, which I expect it should because of this formation, then the next place again we're looking at, it's 52,000 to 51,000. Should that happen again, the next area is this zone 47,000 to 42,000. That's a massive zone. But should BTC close outside this place, the next zone of liquidity is around this zone 38,800. This zone, I imagine the bounce BTC is going to have from there going to the other side. Okay. You can see I told you about Ton for ages, that Ton was going down because it broke the weekly support, and the next zone of resistance, liquidity, was $4.05, and you can see it has played out. So be big congratulations to you if you take our advice as far as trading is concerned, because we're not messing around here. We're always up for making profits. Okay, from the south coast of Nigeria again today, Delta State to be precise. The Peterson is saying, do have a lovely day ahead and bye for now. And I'll see you as always in the next one.